Average Americans spend over $200 a year on car washes. Well, overlanders and jeepers and off-roaders are definitely not average. We are constantly getting our vehicles dirty and muddy, and ourselves dirty and muddy. So when the Salty Captain reached out to us about reviewing their 20-piece truck detailing bucket, I said, heck yeah, we're always dirty. We could use a good cleanup. Seems like in most videos where you're showing off some cleaning products, the vehicles are practically clean anyway before they start. I thought I'd give the Salty Captain a real challenge.
Hey guys, this is Christy with Dirt Dauber Adventures, and we were sent this system from the Salty Captain for us to try. It comes with this great water hose hookup, so you can put your detergents in there. 2 brushes, one soft and one firm. A pack of 5 micro fiber towels for getting off all the spots. 2 buckets. This first bucket has everything in it. As you can see, we have a nice little glove there, a little soap sponge there, another microfiber towel, and then here comes the good stuff. Lots of things. This is their Superior Interior Cleaner. Can't wait to use that from the inside of the Gladiator. This is their Drip Dry. Tire Shine. Get those tires nice and shiny. This is their just their car wash. Here is the Grease Attack. This is a nice biodegradable, get the grease off of your vehicle.
Should be animal friendly.
Yes, animal friendly. We like animal friendly products. This is the nice and tough stuff, the 4-wheel drive and RV. Not tough on your paint, but you know, tough on that mud and dirt, which our channel is known to get nice and dirty, our vehicle. And this right here is, oh yeah, the streak-free glass cleaner. Now, if you have a hard time getting the muck and your glass clean, I look forward to see how well this works. And then you have 2 buckets, and this right here you could put in the bottom. It kind of collects all the dirt and nastiness kind of at the bottom in case you just want to use 1 bucket for wash and rinse and all that good stuff. Or you can use 2 buckets, 1 for wash and 1 for rinse.
All right, let's try it.
Yay!
Time to get the captain's musket out of the box and load it up and ready for action. When you attach the jet nozzle onto the captain's musket, it has some really good pressure. It'll cut through the mud for sure. It didn't take very long to get the thick mud off. Now we're going to do some grease attack on the wheels and the wheel wells. We put it on thick and let it sit for a while. We sprayed it everywhere there would be grease and oil and slime. Now it's time for the stiff bristle brush and do some scrubbing. And now it's time for some four-wheel drive and RV wash. The Musket really puts out some soap suds, that's for sure. Now it's time for some drip dry. Let's see how this drip dry works. Oh, it's like the spray wax at the car wash. Now we're rinsing off the drip dry. Man, this thing's looking good. This stuff is the bomb. It looks good. So yeah, I think the drip dry stuff is my favorite stuff in the bucket. The Salty Captain's bucket has everything you need in it to get your rig nice and clean. Now time for some tire shine. Tire shine works great. Now it's time to work on the interior. Now it's time for some streak-free glass cleaner. Well, it's done. What do you think about the Salty Captain?
I think that it did a beautiful job. Our Jeep has never looked better.
Yeah, it looks better now than when we bought it new.
Yeah, and it definitely cut through the mud. So what did you think about the Salty Captain?
I thought it worked great. Jeep looks better than new. I'm really impressed with the dry drip, and the Captain's Musket is actually kind of fun to use. The Salty Captain wins.